Ah, December 29th. In 1997, Hong Kong began slaughtering 1.25 million chickens to stop the spread of influenza. 1.25 million, that's a lot of chickens. That their entire population, gone. Today is also the birthday of Robert C. Baker. You know who Robert C. Baker is? He invented the chicken nugget. The guy invented the chicken nugget, and they killed 125 million chickens on his birthday to celebrate him. Robert C. Baker was named the George Washington Carver of the poultry industry. He invented over 40 different poultry-related things. Everything from chicken nuggets to how birds are deboned. Didn't have it before Robert came along. Happy birthday, Robert. You've given us a delicious, fairly nutritious little hunk of meat that I truly do love. Nugs are my favorite. Signs of influenza are chills, a sore throat, coughing, and fatigue.